Ever been in that awkward situation where you're out with friends, the bill comes, and everyone's fumbling for cash or trying to figure out who owes what? It's a vibe killer, right? We've all been there. It could be a dinner, a movie, or even a shared vacation rental. The last thing you want is for a good time to get tangled up in a messy bill-splitting fiasco. But what if I told you there's a super easy way to handle all of this without any of the headache? Enter Venmo, the ultimate solution for splitting bills with your friends. If you're not already on it, you should be. It makes sharing costs so simple, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to split bills on Venmo, step by step, so you can focus on making memories, not crunching numbers. First things first, make sure everyone in your group has a Venmo account. It's free and easy to set up. Once you're all connected, splitting a bill is a breeze. Let's say you just finished dinner and the total is $100 for 4 people. Instead of each person paying a part of the bill to the restaurant, one person can just pay the whole thing with their card. Once that's done, open your Venmo app. Tap the Pay or Request button, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Now, here's the cool part. You can either request money from your friends or pay them back. To request, select the friends you want to split the bill with. Then, type in the amount. In our example, that would be $25 for each person. Here's a pro tip, always add a note in the description. Something like dinner at the burger joint or movie night tickets. This helps everyone keep track of their payments and avoids any confusion. Now, let's talk about the Venmo calculator. For those more complex situations, like a grocery run where everyone bought different items, Venmo has a built-in feature that can help. When you're in the Pay or Request screen, you'll see a little calculator icon. Tap on it, and it will let you enter the total amount and split it evenly among the people you select. This is a lifesaver for group trips or shared expenses where the numbers aren't as straightforward. Another great feature is the ability to send a payment request even if you're not the one who paid initially. Let's say your friend paid for a round of drinks, and you want to send them your share. Just hit the Pay or Request button, find your friend, and send them the money with a quick note. It's a courteous way to settle up instantly. Venmo transactions are fast, secure, and it's so much more convenient than dealing with cash or bank transfers. So there you have it. From a simple dinner to a weekend getaway, Venmo takes the stress out of splitting bills. Now, you can enjoy your time with friends without the awkward money talk. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.